Well, good morning, friend.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. Oh, it smells so
Time to take a deep breath in. Oh my goodness.
smells like vanilla cupcakes.
Oh my goodness. It smells like apple pie.
Whoa, it smells like unicorn candles.
Smells like birthday cake pancakes.
Oh my goodness, it smells like vanilla.
It smells like cinnamon.
It smells like...
Candles.
What is that smell?
Oh, what's that good smell?
You know, I think maybe we should go check it out because it smells really good. You want to go check it out?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa, what's that?
So lovely.
Whoa, take a look at all that.
What's all this stuff?
You know, that's a really good question. We better go find out. Look, it's all over the school.
I don't know.
What?
Look like unicorns.
Hello.
We better go check it out.
Excuse me.
Is everything all right? What happened here?
What are you?
Hi, my name is Ramona. And I am Mona. We are unicorns.
My name's School Bus.
My name is Trash Cann.
Hello, Trash Cannon School Bus. Hello, Ramona and Mona. My name is Stan. Stan saved us. Stan saved us from the evil mean man. We have to leave fast, or mean man will be back. All right, we can help you, but first, can you please tell us what all this is? Yes, quickly. It is all of our poop. You mean your poop smells like vanilla? Yes, that is why Mean Man was trying to take all of our poop. Yes, it seems to be very good smelling to you humans. But Stan came along and freed us by exploding the poop factory. Well, what do we need? What do we use the poop for? What do we use your poop for? Oh, honey, there's these people that take our poop. Yeah. And they make refreshing bathroom spray. Dun, dun, dun. And Mean Man stole us from our town. He stole us from our town called Unicorn Town. And I'm gonna return them. I'm not actually a unicorn, I'm really a cheetah. I had to trick Mean Man. Mean Man. Quick, help us. Can you get us back to Unicorn Town? We just want to go home to Unicorn Town. We can't wait. can't
Okay,
wait to be
quick.
free.
Trash Can, we have to trick Mean Man.
You'll never get away!
What are we gonna do? How are we gonna save them?
We can't throw unicorn poop at him.
We're gonna throw unicorn poop at him? That's a great idea.
Yeah! Yeah!
Oh, you'll
Never get me!
quick! It's time to go!
We made it to Unicorn Land! Yay!
Yay! We're so happy! Yay!
You think you got me? You'll never get me!
Unicorn poop anymore.
Me neither. It's all gone. Good morning.
It's a beautiful day today. I have a tired.
Huh, anyone have any crazy dreams last night?
No.
I did. Hey, Trash Can, you were in it. Wait. Do you remember, or was that real?
Oh, I remember reading this a long time ago. We just painted through.
That sounds like a normal day.